gini na afia.
Ase na oru anwugbula alaji. Alamajiri. No dazu ya pepepe. Alamajiri na.
Hey! This guy have a tago. Oh ma, didn't know she was like man, listen I no 10 years. Now what can you work again na afia?
Se mekofo. Chukwu gozie e adi ogologo ndu na ahụ isi ike. Chukwu gozie the deputy governor of Anambra State, the deputy.
Emelo.
God bless our excellency Professor Charles Chukwu Masoludo. Adi ogologo ndu na ahụ isi ike. Everything. Ati na okwu abụla obele okwu ma na-abatago m. Continue.
Gini na afia.
Obi wekina kwa mụ na ebe ndị ọma njem ọnụ. Unu anụgo na Okongwu Dibia abatago, yes, ọbatago mana ya bụ only a lesson and a reminder to everybody. Ọ bụrụ na ihe amela Okongwu Dibia, everybody na-reshare video ijiri amụta ihe, it is left for you. You are not only resharing video, enwere mgbe meet one lawyer like that. Always same that na even go and reshare video mmadụ, iti nwe gị na problem because you go an accomplice. See, also I will not go originate here, but you are part of sharing that video. The person might leave on your mail. This is exactly what happened to Okongwu Dibia. So it has become a lesson to everybody. That's just understand. Maybe share, and also you need share video mother. When you are watching a video, copy the link, share na WhatsApp na tosa. Mba for such video oga, you know, kuna problem as well. Not because you aided spreading of false information. Or you quite all day. So me play video kuno no Okongwu Dibia siwe ko ihenya ni heja. After kwe handle ndo timpe apata na say Okongwu nka no. The truth in all of this thing is that now Okongwu Dibia become a victim of something he never know that no yememe. Nobody is above mistake. Nobody is above arrest. Imeti government government apology ijeje kowa. Kito Okongwu ejego jeje funanya kowa. I don't know, everybody has the opportunity for a second chance. Or no Okongwu Dibia je put a more opportunity for second chance. Uduya no uguya dehilia. And it will not be a criteria for you to come and begin and not by the government anyhow. Get anya de bono. Or what another opportunity gadi again. Or ya they are very, very difficult. Or ya they again very, very difficult. So learn to also speak something good about one again working on. Nobody is above constructive criticism. Manepotasi na akpoyi, ina some words that na akpotageti na asege you cannot be able to defend that. I don't know. A lot of you during our comment section, you don't know that no identity is not hidden. After we have no local profile na palen them on social media. No, your identity is not hidden because why? Your IP address is open na that Facebook in use. Your IP address is open, so you need to copy the link. You paste on one site, you paste here. Your full identity you go see. Your full identity you go see. We don't want to use AI picture just to copy that picture, paste in a link. I go with an AI original picture. Even before and after of the picture, your face will show. So because don't buy. Can boy lesson to everybody. God the one.
Anaza onye na no nye bụ Okongwu Dibia derisi ife dị iche. Eziwota afa mbukene Chukwu Charles ife dị iche. Biko, eya anụnwa bụ an apology video directed to High Chief Sir Emeka and the Honorable Dr. Onyeka Chukwu Ibezim, our Deputy Governor of Anambra State, and the others on the video. Because I say Kambianya apology concerning the video that I posted long time ago. The video that I reposted long time ago. Though I'm not the originator of the video. The originator of the video is Ikuku Connect Ikuku Movement Connect. Don't I'm going post to you. Again the source ebe the video si bia. And I didn't post the video to hurt anybody. That is number one. Number two, I did not even know that they called Semekofo into that video. The reason why I posted that video is to get the attention of my friend Obeleda to take action of what Ikuku is saying. But I didn't know that Semekofo and the deputy governor of Anambra State and the other people was in the video. And what Ikuku said on that video is not good. So I'm sorry if the video hurts anybody. Please see my knees on the ground. I don't need that, I beg. Upon a video post to no hoto. No megide biko anoma yobiko wala alone. The video, I did not mean to hurt anybody. I did not mean to hurt anybody. And I'm not the maker of the video. I reposted the video for my friend Obeleda to take immediate action. Man, I'm not concerned with Semekofo and the deputy governor of Anambra State. Because no one alone. The man say they will like it, but he want to kill if I will. I will like it, what if I will like it, but what it? Eh? Because most especially, Sir Chief Emekofo. No refit, please, I'm begging. Open that video, me provoke you. You will get the knock. You will get the knock. Then the deputy governor of Anambra State, I beg. Open the video repost to Mutege, Wagalo, and the other people that were mentioned on the video that I reposted. And I'm assuring you people that once the maker of the video comes back, which is Ikuku Dibia, once we back Nigeria, I will help and make sure that na Mununu Jidelie, I hand you over to the authority. I hand you over to the authority. Because I'm not near you know, I did not know. The post. Though I'm post to on the video because online and the video I post on the video say, Ikuku, are you sure of what you are saying? Tag here the source. Just in the comment section. Title to info. Tag here in the comment section. I'm not the maker of the video. So as a maker of us, please, sir, forgive. Tamper justice with mercy. And I will be happy to meet you one day. I will be happy to meet you one day. So you talk about any day, including the deputy governor of Anambra State. I will be happy to meet you people. So because next time before I post a video, I must verify condition that this video they post to before I post to because Adama Yoko with pride, I beg. Because it will never happen again. Then tomorrow morning, for me. Not easy. All the people that came for me, all the people that did not came for me, I thank you all. Mandeni ne wish mom, mandeni ne wish ndo and make no jog God bless you all. Thank you very much. Thank you, Anambra. Thank you, Governor Soludo, Professor, and congratulations to your win. A win for you is a win for us. I appreciate. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Share the video. Thank you.